Hello, it is the 8th of... Oh, you noticed the Hikoki nailer there, did you? Yeah. Right. Just taking delivery of this. I think this is the Hikoki Nail Gun. Yeah, I reckon this is it. Let's take it up the ladder and have a look. Hikoki nailer. Yep, this is it. Sweet. That's the charging unit. It's in a drawstring bag. Look at that. That's quite nice. I'll get that set up. Plug the Bosch one. Ah, there's nothing like the smell of new foam. Okay, here you are. It's awesome. That is crisp. I'm always in two minds about new tools. They're so pretty and I kind of don't want to use them. This is nice. Look, got a joist hanger bit there, so you can swing that round and it can hang on a single or a double joist. That's handy. I like that because I'm doing a lot of double hangers. And the DeWalt one is only wide enough for one, so I like that, and it plays nicely with the fact the battery's there. Let's see, what does it come with? Charge? Look at that! It's come fully charged. That's handy. Ready to go. What about the other? There's a spare battery in there as well. It's got a cap on it. Spare battery comes fully charged as well. Ideal. Look at that. Quality. Spare pair of those. Oh look, it even comes with free goggles for safety. That is very good. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Right, lays down nose first. Goes in that way. So what I'll do is I'll put it through its paces, have a go with it, see how it gets on. I've got quite a few bits that I can use it with, and then I'll come back and I'll let you know what I think. Right, turns out these don't come with battery charge. When you turn it on here, well, firstly you have to unlock it on the handle. So you unlock it, and then down here you turn it on, and then you can see that red flashing light on the battery. That means no battery, so there's no joy on that. So I'll get them charging. So the batteries were so flat when they arrived that I had to spend the whole evening charging both of them. So they are hopefully charged up. I have not tried this or turned this on yet, so we will see whether they have any charge in them now. So you press and hold to turn it on. Ah, green, perfect. That means it's good to go. Now, right, so flashing is for bump nailing. That is just for regular nailing. Let's just try it on a piece of wood. Oof! Whoa! Those are nailed in. Now that's actually a little bit disconcerting in a way. I mean, it's fine, but the DeWalt, when you push that nose bit in, makes a little whirring noise, so you kind of know it's primed and charged. This one doesn't, so it's quieter. Jeez Louise, is that quick. That's really, really nice. I'm going to have a little play with dialing in the settings of this, of how hard or fast this thing pushes the nails in. I'm not sure exactly how you do that, so I'm going to have a little play and then I'll come back to you. Okay. Day 2 with the Hikoki nailer. It's really good. It's a really, really good piece of kit. Something to point out. This isn't a problem. It's a good safety feature, but it can be a little bit frustrating. Just trying to see if I can get the lighting on that. Something to be aware of when you're running low on nails, even if you do still have some in the clip. So I've got a few in here, not loads, but some. If there aren't enough, watch. Just look at this point here. It pushes up and engages a little clasp that stops the nose from going in. So even if the nails are in, it now will not push the nose back to engage the firing. So you need to keep it topped up with nails. You then pull the clasp back and it pushes them forward, and now this nose can retract to engage the firing. So it's good. I really like it. It is very clever. Just that is something to be aware of. It's not that there's a problem with the nailer, even though you know you've got nails in it. There is a little latch just there which blocks it from coming back if you haven't got enough. I have to say I'm very impressed. I'm very happy with this nail gun. It'd be nice if it stood up. I don't know if any of them do, to be honest, but it would be nice. It does kind of balance that way, but it's not great. I mean, you are best off just laying it flat or using that double wide hanger there to just hang it like that. And you can flip this round if you don't like it on, if you don't like having it on this side. They have put 3 holes there for you to transfer it to the other side. But it is really good. They are not cheap, obviously, but they're no more expensive than a DeWalt one. In fact, depending on where you buy it from and if you get a deal, you might be able to buy it cheaper. I was quite fortunate with this one. There's a seller, FFX, on eBay, was selling it, and they had a little discount on, and then eBay had a discount code for 10% off if you were spending over a certain amount with a maximum discount of £50. So I ended up paying 440 quid for this, for the nail gun, and 2 5-amp-hour batteries, and the box and the charger and all the rest of it that it comes with. So I got a pretty good deal on that, I think. 440 quid is a chunk of change, but it is good value for money, I think, for a nail gun of this quality. It's quiet, it's quick. The batteries take a while to charge, but once they're there... Oh, that was the other thing I was going to say, actually. I doubt you're ever going to see this, Hikoki. But this is very, very counterintuitive. On your charging, if the light is on, it shows that it's got full charge. If the light goes down to there, it shows that it's got less charge, half charge, and then it starts to flash when the battery is empty, or nearly empty. Now, in every other battery that I've ever dealt with, it flashes if it's empty, and it is on if it is full. On the charging unit, if the light is on constantly, it's empty, and then it flashes when it's full. So it's the complete opposite way round, which is very counterintuitive. And I don't know why you've done it like that on your charger, and then done it like that on the actual unit itself. But every other charging, when I first got it, I thought that it had full battery because the light was on constantly. But if it's on constantly on the charging unit, it means that it's flat. So very counterintuitive. That all being said, I love it. I do think it's great. I really like using this thing. Very, very nice.